strawberry one. There'll be a taste review on it. Probably didn't taste like strawberry at all. Awful. Used to be real good and oily. Last is.
No, that's the best one. I'm going to start.
If you like the
saying
taste
if you
of
like the taste of cow pole.
What the? What have I just stumbled across? What sort of I missed here? Why is everyone laughing so much? You've got me laughing, I don't even know I'm fucking laughing.
Jesus Christ. I'm crying.
What have I just missed?
I'm bawling my eyes out.
Same as the
Fucking hell.
Can someone explain? Show me what I've just missed out on there, man. What the fuck?
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck.
Fucking
Yo.
oh man.
Yo,
I feel so left out.
I can't breathe.
Aye. What? Show me this review. What review was it? Is it a review
I
on?
don't even remember what we're laughing at now.
But I can't breathe.
It was a review. Some Amazon.
It was just everyone laughing at each other.
Yeah, what was the review on though? Like, what was it on?
Toilet paper.
What?
Toilet.
Guys, I've just thrown up in the toilet. I swear down. Oh, look.
Bro, I can't even speak properly, bro.
You've been sick.
Why is he throwing it? Nah, lad, don't be. Oh, clever. Clever, not